This is an Apple Car, which is
At the same time, we can also use App Control Transport for mapping and navigation. With OpenCV AI training, Transport can achieve line tracking, and you can switch its route if you want. After a simple installation of the robotic arm, we can perform movie simulation control. The 3-degree of freedom robot arm makes handling easy. Transport can complete the RRT exploration mapping, where humans cannot reach it. 3D imaging data, human bone detection and motion tracking, and KCF target tracking are inseparable from the depth camera sensing data. AR tag recognition, visual image beautification, AR display enhancement, intelligent target tracking, and intelligent path patrol. Multiple AI features are implemented with one click of the app. Handle remote control mode, remote control feel better. Across platforms we offer a variety of control methods, such as Yahboom Robot App, ROS Robot App, Jupyter Lab, ROS Control System and FPV Handle Control. You can watch all the learning materials about Transport online. You can also download materials, videos and codes from the Yahboom website. Rich and detailed learning materials to help you learn SLAM, learn ROS, and learn Transport.